Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and as you can see, you will have to scroll down a little in order to tap on the wallpaper. And here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got local photos, so this is simply our own gallery. We've got recently used pre-installed ones, so after tapping here, you'll be able to check some wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. What's more, we've got the live wallpapers, so if you will have any compatible animated files, they will appear right here. What's more, we've got online wallpapers, so remember that you will have to have the internet connection and you will be able to pick something from those options. What's more, you can tap on find more and you will be just transferred to all possible wallpapers. So in order to check the preview, just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the full screen. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so just tap on it and we just got back to the previous menu. So let's check the home page, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our home screen. Let's check also the lock screen, and it is visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.